This is how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Cash App. First thing that we'll do is go onto your iPhone, look up Cash App, and then update and install the Cash App app. Once you have Cash App installed, let's go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, we're going to go on the bottom left to the banking option. And right here, you'll see it says Bitcoin. Press on that. And you should have some Bitcoin already bought. All right, and now we're over to our laptop/computer. What we're going to do is go to Google and look up Pocket Option. We're going to go to the website. Once you've logged in, we're going to go ahead and click on Deposit right here. It should already be here, but if you don't see, you can go and search it right here. But we're going to find Bitcoin right here. Once you click on Bitcoin, we're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that we like to transfer from Cash App to here. So for example, if I invested in $5 on Bitcoin, right here we're going to put $5. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and go on continue. And right here it says to complete the payment, you must transfer this many Bitcoin, and this is the address that they will give to you. But what we specifically need is this QR code right here. Once we've gotten our QR code on Pocket Option, we're going to head back over to the Bitcoin screen on our phones. Going to press this arrow icon to share. Then we're going to hit send Bitcoin. We're going to enter the amount that we'd like to send. And then on the top left, we're going to hit that grid icon. And here is where we will scan the QR code. And here we'll choose whether we would like to make a priority, which it'll deposit in 10 minutes, or rush, which will be 2 hours. Let's just go ahead and go with priority and go to next. All right, now we're back to our laptop/computer. Once you have sent it through your Cash App, we're going to go and head on over. We're going to head on over to history up here. You'll see the status of your deposit. Right here it says pending, and when it will say pending for you as well. Give it as much as 10 minutes to 2 hours the status to change, and you will have successfully deposited money into your Pocket Option.